Mango, the king of fruits, is loved by many for its sweet and delicious taste. But there's more to it than just its flavor. Did you know that even mango leaves can offer numerous health benefits? Watch the video to learn about these 10 amazing benefits backed by research. Today, we're diving into a tropical treasure trove of wellness wonders, mango leaves. Yes, you heard it right. Those lush, green leaves from the mango tree aren't just there for shade. They're packed with health benefits that might surprise you. Mango leaves, steeped in traditional wisdom, are more than just a part of the majestic tree. Originating from lush landscapes, they have been revered in holistic medicine for centuries, offering a bridge to the healing practices of the past. While mango fruit is well known for its delicious taste and numerous health benefits, mango leaves also offer several health-promoting properties. Modern research has unlocked mango leaves' secrets and offers a glimpse into a world where nature and science harmonize. Mango leaves contain important minerals and vitamins such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C and A. They also have phenols and flavonoids like quercetin and gallic acid that are good for the body. Be made into tea or powder, and fresh leaves can be eaten if available. So, let's explore the 10 amazing health benefits of incorporating mango leaves into your daily diet. Be sure to watch till the end to learn a simple DIY recipe on how to make mango leaf tea and mango leaf extract at home. Firstly, mango leaves may help you to regulate your blood sugar levels. Let's discuss the potential health benefits of mango leaves for diabetes. Research shows that mango leaf extracts can help lower blood sugar levels, making them a potential aid in managing diabetes. They're high in taraxerol and ethyl acetate, which help treat hyperglycemia. Moreover, mango leaves are rich in anthocyanid and tannins, a secondary metabolite that can help in treating early diabetes. But wait, there's more. Number 2. Mango leaves can help lower high blood pressure. Did you know that mango leaves contain natural compounds that can help lower your blood pressure? Mango leaves are an excellent natural remedy for controlling high blood pressure. This is one amazing health benefits of using mango leaves. Studies have shown that adding mango leaves to your diet may contribute to healthy blood pressure. This natural approach to cardiovascular health offers hope, proving that nature is vital in managing blood pressure challenges. Flavonoids such as quercetin and camphorol can expand your blood vessels, enabling easier blood flow. Eating mango leaves can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Number 3. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's talk about the big C, cancer, and how mango leaves may help fight it. That's right, mango leaves are bursting with antioxidants, ready to wage war against those sneaky free radicals that can cause cancer. In the realm of natural remedies, mango leaves emerge as an unsung hero, wielding the power of antioxidants. Their hidden strength lies in their ability to neutralize harmful free radicals, offering us a beacon of hope in the pursuit of good health, keeping various types of cancer at bay. The compounds in mango leaves can stop cancer cells from growing and cause them to die. However, more research is needed to confirm this potential. 4. Mango leaves may help with digestive health. It may help your digestive system to work better. Feeling a bit, backed up in the digestive department? Fear not, because mango leaves are here to rescue you from the clutches of constipation. With their gentle yet effective digestive powers, these leaves will have you feeling light as a mango breeze in no time. Additionally, mango leaves are helpful for diarrhea. If you want to improve your digestive health, drinking warm mango leaf tea can help. Here's how to make it. Put some mango leaves in warm water, cover the container with a lid, and let it sit overnight. The next morning, filter the water and drink the tea on an empty stomach. This infusion can help cleanse your stomach and flush toxins out of your body. Drinking it regularly can promote good digestion and keep your stomach healthy. 5. May help cures anxiety and stress. Have you ever heard of the magical stress-relieving power of mango leaves? It's fascinating to know that these leaves can cure stress and anxiety. Find inner peace by adding a few mango leaves to your bath water. This simple home remedy can help reduce restlessness caused by anxiety and stress. The stress and anxiety of modern life can often feel like an insurmountable mountain. Yet, nature offers a natural remedy in the form of mango leaves. Mango leaf tea work wonders in cleansing your body and soul, offering a pathway to tranquility and balance in our fast-paced world. 6. Mango leaves may support your dental health. Dental health, often overlooked, is vital for overall well-being. Mango leaves stand out as natural guardians, promoting oral hygiene and protecting our smiles from the shadows of decay. Mango leaves' antibacterial properties offer a simple, yet effective way to keep dental woes at bay, ensuring our smiles remain as radiant as the sun. Number 7. Mango leaves may help prevent obesity. Did you know that mango leaf may help reduce obesity? Embarking on a journey towards a healthier you can be challenging. But what if I tell you that research suggests that mango leaves can be your new secret weapon in this uphill battle? With their incredible metabolic boosting properties, they can give you that much needed push in the right direction. Consider them as your trustworthy allies, helping you achieve that perfect balance and guiding you towards a weight that makes you feel amazing. So, what are you waiting for? Those on a weight loss journey, listen up. Preliminary studies suggest that mango leaf extract could be a powerful ally in the battle against the bulge. Shedding pounds has never tasted so sweet. Number 8. An amazing health benefit of mango leaf is that it can improve skin health. Think vitamin A for glowing skin. Think mango leaf full of vitamin A. Studies have shown that using mango leaf extract can help improve your skin health. Studies have shown that it can reduce dark spots, dryness, and signs of aging because mango leaves contain antioxidants that help increase collagen production. Moreover, mangiferain, a compound found in mango leaves, can be helpful for people with skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Mango leaves are also a natural remedy for bacterial skin infections such as staph infections and skin burns because of their strong antibacterial properties. Mango leaves contain a compound called tyrosinase that can help brighten and whiten skin. Use young mango leaves from the Pico and Carabao varieties to prevent darkening. As a natural remedy for wounds, it accelerates healing, allowing our bodies to repair and rejuvenate. 9. Mango leaves may strengthen your immune system. According to studies, the mango plant's leaf contains a significant amount of terpenoids. Terpenoids are antioxidants that safeguard cells against harmful free radicals and are essential for maintaining optimal immune health.
Moreover, mango leaves are a potential source of minerals such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, iron, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins A, B, E, and C, all of which help protect us from the common cold and flu.
10. Mango leaves have traditionally been used to manage cholesterol levels due to their amazing cholesterol-lowering effects. Research suggests that mango leaf tea might help with cholesterol, thanks to its natural compounds that calm down inflammation. Since inflammation can mess with your cholesterol levels, keeping it in check is A+. Mango leaves are a great source of dietary fiber, which can help reduce cholesterol levels. When you drink mango leaves tea, its fiber acts like a scrubber for your insides. It binds with the cholesterol in your digestive tract and promotes its excretion from the body. This helps to keep the cholesterol levels low and maintain a healthier you. If you want to enjoy the potential health benefits of mango leaves, you can make mango leaf tea, smoothies, and juices, or add them to your salads. You can also use tender mango leaves as a natural wrapper for steaming or grilling foods. Making mango leaf extract at home is a straightforward process that requires only a few simple steps. To prepare mango leaf tea at home, boil 10 to 15 fresh mango leaves in 150 milliliters of water. Here's a basic recipe for preparing mango leaf extract. All you need is fresh mango leaves and water. Step 1. Harvest mango leaves, wash and dry your mango leaves. Step 2. Tear those leaves into pieces and pop them into a pot of boiling water. It's like making tea, but with a tropical twist. Step 3. Let it simmer away for about 15 to 20 minutes. Step 4. Strain out the leaves and voila! You've got yourself homemade mango leaf extract. Easy peasy, right? In step 5, pour that liquid gold into a glass container and stash it in the fridge. It'll keep for about a week, so you can enjoy its benefits whenever you need a health boost. And there you have it, folks, your very own DIY mango leaf extract and mango leaf tea, packed with amazing health benefits just for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY wellness tips, and leave a comment below letting me know how your mango leaf extract turns out. Who knew those humble leaves could pack such a powerful punch? And there you have it, friends, 10 amazing health benefits of mango leaves backed by science. Individuals with allergies or sensitivities to mangoes or related plants should exercise caution when using mango leaves for medicinal purposes.